बस बना दिए सबने। आंसर है ट्रांजैक्शन ऑफ बैंक। अब बैंक ट्रांजैक्शन में क्या होता है, जनरली चेक से होने वाले जो ट्रांजैक्शंस होते हैं वो बैंक वाले गिने जाते हैं। उसके अलावा बैंक के साथ जो ट्रांजैक्शन हम करते हैं, कई बार बैंक हमारे ऊपर चार्जेस लेवी करती है। આપણે બેંકથી કોઈ કામ કરાવડાવીએ તો બેંક કામ કરે પણ એ ફ્રીમાં કરશે નહીં, તે મારા અકાઉન્ટમાં ચાર્जेस डेबिट કરશે, एक्सपेंस છે। सेम बैंक में हमारा अगर डिपॉजिट पड़ा हुआ है तो उस पर हमें इंटरेस्ट मिलता है, वो हमारा इनकम है। याद खास क्या रखना है कि जब भी मैं चेक रिसीव करता हूँ मतलब बैंक इज रिसीवर। મને ચેક મળ્યો, પૈસા ક્યાં આવશે, આપણે ચેક બેંકમાં નાખીશું, પૈસા આવશે બેંકમાં, कैश આવતું નથી એવું આપણે એઝ્યુમ કરીશું। क्योंकि बिजनेस वाले जो चेक लिखते हैं ना वो क्रॉस्ड चेक रहता है और उसके पैसे हमेशा बैंक में ही रिसीव होते हैं।
हमारे खाते में होते हैं ना,
खाते में आएंगे, बाद में आप चाहे उसको विड्रॉ करो पर आएगा आपके खाता में, मतलब अकाउंट में आएगा, राइट। सेम चेक मुझे मिला तो बैंक रिसीवर, चेक मैंने किसी को दिया तो बैंक गिवर। આપણને ચેક મળે बैंक रिसीवर और डेबिट द रिसीवर रूल तो याद है बधाने, भूली नहीं गया। एंड क्रेडिट द गिवर, तो इतना अगर मुझे याद है तो बैंक के ट्रांजैक्शन में मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी। राइट जनरल एंट्री फॉर कृष्णा फॉर द फॉलोइंग ट्रांजैक्शन। डेट कॉलम में ईयर और मंथ लिख देंगे, लिख दिया होगा सबने। फर्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन 20,000 डिपॉजिटेड विद बैंक एंड ओपन अकाउंट, 20,000 रुपए निकाले, बैंक में डाला, अकाउंट ओपन करवाया, बैंक इज रिसीवर, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट होगा, राइट। एंड कैश गोज आउट, कैश अकाउंट, बस इतना पता चल गया तो एंट्री लिख सकते हैं, लिखो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट। क्यों डेबिट समझ गए, बैंक इज रिसीवर 20,000, कैश गोज आउट टू कैश अकाउंट 20,000, being open account with bank by depositing कैश। और एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेनी है सिर्फ पर्टिकुलर्स के कॉलम में, वो भी स्केल यूज किए बिना। डन। रेहान नेक्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन, बी लाउड, जोर से थोड़ा। हरी के पास से चेक मिला, कितने का चेक मिला भाई, और वो चेक हमने कहा डिपॉजिट, नहीं कहा होता तो भी हम मानते कि बैंक में डिपॉजिट किया, तो बैंक रिसीवर हो गई और हरी गिवर हो गया। डेबिट द रिसीवर, क्या बनेगी एंट्री, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 5,000 टू हरीज अकाउंट 5,000, लिख दें। डेट 5, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, कितने का चेक मिला है, 5,000 का, टू हरीज अकाउंट, हरी के पास से मिला है। टू हरीज अकाउंट, being check received from Hari deposited with bank. being check received from Hari deposited with bank. Done? अगले ट्रांजैक्शन पे जाएं.
देव
देव जी, अगला ट्रांजैक्शन.
A check of received from
रमणीक लाल.
for use.
रमणीक लाल से पैसे लेने दे. पैसे लेने के रमणीक पे पैसा શું થાય यार. लो चेक 2000. बोलो एंट्री.
बैंक इज रिसीवर
बैंक इज, जब भी चेक मुझे मिला बैंक इज रिसीवर. सेम ही ट्रांजेक्शन हो. हरी के जगह रमणीक लाल है एंड रमणीक लाल इज गिवर. लिख दे डेट 6. डेट 6. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट. कितने का चेक मिला भाई रमणीक लाल के पास से? टू रमणीक लाल अकाउंट. जब भी नेचुरल पर्सन हो ना एपोस्ट्रोफी एस करने का. टू रमणीक लाल अकाउंट. being check received for dues. और लाइन ड्रॉ कर देना पार्टिकुलर्स के कॉलम में. being check received for dues.
Goods sold to Rupali rupees 14,000, out of which check received for half amount with deposited with bank.
Goods rupees 14,000 sold to whom? Rupali. And Rupali paid half amount by check. That check is deposited with bank. And anyone will try this entry from your side? Anyone will try? Yes. Entry. I have asked entry. कौन try करेगा?
बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट
Bank account debit. How much amount is? 7,000. Very good. Bank account, bank is receiver, 7,000. Right. Then,
टू रूपाली
to Rupali. Rupali is not in picture for 2. Means she is not giver. She is receiver. Think over it twice. She is giver or receiver? Think over it. She has given check of 7,000. What about remaining 7,000? She is receiver of the goods of 7,000 or not? So the bank is debit for half amount, 7,000. Rupali is receiver for 7,000 because no information given about that. What about remaining 7,000? That whether it is being received or not, and in lack of information, we need to consider it as credit transaction. See, out of 14,000, she has given how much amount check? Half amount. Means remaining half amount she is receiver. Is that clear? So total 14,000. Amongst 14,000, 7,000 bank is receiver, 7,000 Rupali is receiver, and goods goes 14,000 will be credited. So two accounts will get debited here. Which two accounts will get debited? Bank account and Rupali account. Bank is receiver 7,000, Rupali also receiver 7,000. And goods goes out, sales account will get credited. लिखें कितने देने को ख्याल आ गया क्या बात की? Date is 10. Bank account debit. Bank account debit. How much we received by check? 7,000. Again, Rupali is also receiver. Actually, what people think that Rupali is giver. So they will make entry like bank account debit 7,000 to Rupali account 7,000. But what about remaining 7,000? because we dispatched the goods of rupees 14,000. It means 7,000 she has given, bank is receiver. 7,000 what she has not given, Rupali is receiver and goods goes on. Rupali's account debit 7,000. Two बोलो टू क्या लिखोगे?
Sales accounts.
टू सेल्स अकाउंट, टू सेल्स अकाउंट. $14,000. How much goods we have sold out here? Amount of rupees 14,000. Being goods sold, comma, half amount received by check. Done? Next transaction. 12. Be loud.
Goods of rupees 10,000 purchased from Deepak Lal and paid half amount by check.
The same transaction is again coming, but that was of sale and this is of purchase. We have purchased goods of 10,000 from Deepkala. And how much amount we have paid through check here? 5,000. Deepkala, we have purchased goods of rupees 10,000. So goods comes in 10,000. Which account will you make debit here? Purchase account debit. Right? Now we have given check to Deepkala. Still approach to bank for receive the money, so the bank is given. But how much amount bank will give here? Only 5,000. What about rest 5,000? The Deepkala is given. So one account will get debited and two accounts will get credited over this entry, right? So let's go with the date. It is 12. Write down date 12, purchase account debit. Purchase account. The same transaction is coming, but that was of sale and this is of purchase. How much purchase we have made? 10,000. To bank account. To bank account, how much amount we have paid through check? Half, that is 5,000. To Roopkala's account. Roopkala or Deepkala, which? Deepkala. To Deepkala's account. Same amount, 5,000. Being goods purchased, comma, half amount paid by check. And draw a line without scale. Paid by check. Done?
Rupees 400 withdrawn from bank for personal expense and rupees 800 for office expense.
Well, total withdrawn how much amount from the bank? In this transaction, 400 for personal expenses and 800 for office expenses. Total how much bank is receiver or giver? Bank is, if we are withdrawing from the bank,
Bank is giver.
bank is giver, right? So that account will get debited or credited? Credited. That our account will get credited 1200 rupees, right? Now what about 400? That is for business expense or personal expense? Personal expense, then drawings, right? So first we'll start with the date. What is date? Write it down. It is 15. Drawings account debit. Drawings account debit. How much drawings will consider here? 400 only. What about rest 800? It is also withdrawn. See, let's understand this thing. One line I am skipping. Bank is giver, right? To bank account. I am skipping one line for writing that remaining portion. So bank is giver 1200. Then what about that 800? Anyone will try to explain. Which account will you make debit? Which account will you make debit for the 800? If you have not understood the transaction, try to read twice and I am asking the same thing. Read twice. Decide yourself which account will come over here.
Expense account.
See it carefully, read it out. That 400 is done. Now about 800, that what we have withdrawn.
Capital.
No, capital is not in picture at all. Usually,
Expense account.
a Mango people will write office expense, but that's not true. It's not true. Now think over it, you are running to bank and withdrawing rupees 800 for office expense. What will happen? You rush to bank, withdrawn rupees 800 for what? Office expense. You are withdrawing rupees 800. 800 રૂપિયા આપોને ઓફિસ એક્સપેન્સ માટે જોઈએ. ઓફિસ એક્સપેન્સ માટે જોઈએ 800 આપોને તો 800 આપ્યા બેંકે. What happening over here? Cash comes in. What is happening here? We have not incurred the office expense. Let's check the transaction twice. Usually people write office expense and that is technically wrong. You have not incurred office expense, you have withdrawn for office expense. પપ્પાથી તે 500 રૂપિયા ગાડીમાં પેટ્રોલ ભરાવા માટે લીધા તો પેટ્રોલ એક્સપેન્સ ઓર કેશ કમ્સ ઇન? હા, તું પેટ્રોલ ભરાવ ત્યારે પેટ્રોલ એક્સપેન્સ. ખ્યાલ આવ્યો? તને પપ્પાએ 500 આપેલે બેટા ગાડીમાં પેટ્રોલ ભરાવજે તો પેટ્રોલ એક્સપેન્સ કે કેશ કમ્સ ઇન? What happened here? Cash comes in or office expense incurred? So which account will mention in entry? Cash account, right? Usually student committing error over here, remember. In maximum cases, even after reaching to the 12th standard also, they are incurring that kind of error over here. So we need to understand here, we have withdrawn the amount. We have withdrawn the amount, yet the office expense is not incurred, not paid. Clear? So cash comes in. Which account will make debit? Cash account. Narration. Being withdrawn from bank for personal and office expense. Being withdrawn from bank for personal and office expense. Which was the date?
15.
It was 18 or 15? 15. Let's go with the next one.
Life insurance premium rupees 310, fire insurance premium rupees 450 rupees paid by
Life insurance premium 300 and fire insurance premium rupees 450. The two kinds of insurance premium, total 750 we have paid through check. So bank is giver of 750, that will get credit. Bank is giver. But what will get debited? Two accounts will get debited, right?
insurance, fire insurance.
Life insurance, life is of owner or business?
Expense. Owner.
It's owner's personal expense and hence the drawings will record it. Clear? Now while you are paying for insurance premium, fire insurance, it is of business expense. Clear? So two account will get debited. Date is 18. Drawings account debit. How much life insurance premium we have paid? Check the amount. Life insurance premium is of rupees 300. Drawings account debit. Fire insurance will write fire because it's business expense. Fire insurance premium account debit. It is 450, I think. Verify the amount your side.
Yes.
2, we have paid through check. So bank is giver, right? To bank account 750. Narration being life and fire insurance premium paid by check. Done? Let's go with the next transaction.
Bank has approved overdraft of rupees 25,000.
Due to paucity of finance, sometimes businessmen rushes to the bank for taking overdraft. What is overdraft? That you people have already studied in OCM, I think. OCM, overdraft. Which chapter is going on in OCM right now? Second chapter, banking is there or not in second chapter? Insurance. Third chapter is in second or third, that business services. You will study the bank. In that you will come to know that what overdraft exactly mean. Suppose your account is having balance of rupees 20,000 and you are in need of the 35,000. Can you withdraw that 35,000? In your account there is balance of rupees 20,000 and you are in need of 35,000. In such circumstance, can you withdraw the amount excess than the balance available in your bank account? You can withdraw only the amount which is a standing balance in your account. In such case, if you are current account bank holder, you can request bank to approve the overdraft facility. If bank is approving that facility, in such case, you over and above the balance standing in your account, you can withdraw the excessive amount. That excessive amount withdrawal permission given by the bank is called overdraft. Is that clear? मेरे अकाउंट में 20,000 रुपए हैं, मुझे 35 की जरूर है, तो मैं ये 35 नहीं विड्रॉ कर सकता हूँ. पर बैंक अगर करंट अकाउंट होल्डर रिक्वेस्ट करे कि भाई मुझे इतने टाइम के लिए इतने एक्सेस अमाउंट की जरूरत है ऑन फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ द सर्टेन कंडीशन एंड द डॉक्यूमेंट प्रेजेंटेशन, रिमेंबर बैंक हमें अलाउ करेगी. ओके, आप 20 है ना, आप 35 निकाल सकते हो, जो 15 ज्यादा निकाल सकते हो ना, इज कॉल्ड ओवरड्राफ्ट. On that bank will charge the interest. એના ઉપર બેંક ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ચાર્જ કરશે. અચ્છા, ઓવરડ્રાફ્ટ લઈ લીધું કે ખાલી અપ્રૂવ થયું? ઇકોનોમિક और नॉन इकोनॉमिक? नॉन इकोनॉमिक. बैंक ने कहा ओके, जरूरत हो तब 25 लेके जाना, ऐसा कहा है, अप्रूव किया है. देखो बाउंसर आया बहुत बड़ा, इसमें भी लोग एंट्री लिख देते हैं. हमने क्या लिखना है? नॉन इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शन. क्या लिखना है? एंड नॉन इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शन विल नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट, रिमेंबर. और लाइन ड्रॉ कर देना है.
सर, ये ओवरड्राफ्ट को भी मतलब ऐसे ही कह सकते हैं ना कि लोन.
हाँ, ये अ काइंड ऑफ लोन, अ काइंड ऑफ लोन. एग्जैक्टली लोन इज लिटिल डिफरेंट थिंग. Loan is of a big amount, longer period of time, but overdraft maximum duration is 6 months. मेरे पास पैसे आएंगे, मैं वापस तुरंत भर दूंगा. इसका ड्यूरेशन 6 महीने से ज़्यादा का नहीं होता. डिटेल OCM वाली मैडम समझाएंगी इसके बारे में. क्लियर? लेट गो विद द अनदर ट्रांजैक्शन.
Bank has credited interest of rupees 250 and debited bank charges of rupees
See, remember, while in one transaction credited and debited given, na, in that case we need to pass two separate entries. So on 25, two entries will come. First, we'll focus on the credited interest. The bank has credited interest rupees 250. Write down the date of transaction, it is 25. बैंक ने 250 रुपए व्याज के क्रेडिट किए. क्रेडिटेड मीन्स इट इज माय इनकम. એટલે બેંકમાં પૈસા આયા હશે. બેંક ઇઝ રિસીવર કહેવાય. રિમેમ્બર, બેંક આપણું અકાઉન્ટ ક્રેડિટ કરે તો પૈસા આયા બેંકમાં, એટલે બેંક ઇઝ રિસીવર. ડેબિટ ધ રિસીવર. બેંક આપણું અકાઉન્ટ ડેબિટ કરે એટલે બેંકમાંથી પૈસા ગયા. એટલે આ બે ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન છે ને એક સાથે લખી શકાતું નથી. પહેલા તો પૈસા આયા, बैंक इज रिसीवर लिखे, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट. कितना आया भाई? कितना आया? इंटरेस्ट के कितने क्रेडिट की अमाउंट देख लेना. किस चीज का आया? टू इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट. टू इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट, राइट. नरेशन लिख देंगे. बीइंग इंटरेस्ट credited by बैंक, और लाइन ड्रॉ कर देंगे. और फिर से 25 तारीख लिखनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि ये तो आधा मसला हल हुआ. क्लियर? फिर आगे बढ़ो. क्या है भाई? बैंक चार्जेस डेबिट किया बैंक ने, मतलब पैसे गए खाते में से. तो ये डेबिट क्या मतलब? एक्सपेंस होगा. क्या नाम है एक्सपेंस का? बैंक चार्जेस. बैंक चार्जेस अकाउंट डेबिट. बैंक चार्जेस अकाउंट डेबिट. कितना डेबिट किया है भाई? 150, 100 कर देते हैं. आप लोग खुश रहो. टू बैंक में पैसे आए गए, बैंक इस गिवर होगी, चार्जेस के अकाउंट में से निकाल के दे दिए. टू बैंक अकाउंट 100. being bank charges debited by bank. लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. डन. एक માં જ બે ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન આવી ગયા આમાં. એન્ડ ધ લાસ્ટ ઇઝ
A check of rupees 5,000 issued for foreign visit of son of owner from business.
ભાઈ કોનો સન? બિઝનેસ નો કે ઓનર નો? પર્સનલ એક્સપેન્સ, બિઝનેસ એક્સપેન્સ. What will you write? What will you write? उसको बुला लेना था, याद करवाया था, फिर दोबारा से बोलना था ना कि सर वो लड़की रह गई. कोई बात नहीं, चलो. हाँ, पर दूसरी बार बोलना था. सर नहीं समझे थे बेटा, सर इतने समझदार नहीं है. कम डाउन, बैठ जाओ बेटा, कोई बात. लेट्स गो विद द. सो बिजनेस, दिस इज पर्सनल एक्सपेंस और बिजनेस एक्सपेंस. पर्सनल एक्सपेंस तो क्या लिखोगे? ड्राइंग्स. और चेक दिया है ना,
Bank account to bank.
ड्राइंग्स टू बैंक लिख देंगे फटाफट. डेट इज 31. ड्राइंग्स अकाउंट डेबिट. ड्राइंग्स अकाउंट डेबिट. कितने का चेक दिया है भाई? बोलो 5,000 में विदेश घूम के आ जाएगा. टू बैंक अकाउंट चेक दिया है. नरेशन लिख देंगे. being check issued to son for foreign visit. बाकी चेक पति क्यों?
हो गया सर.
हो गया. टोटल कर दो चलो जल्दी से.
Sir, 58,300.
ओके, थैंक यू. डन? मजा आई ना?